All right, welcome. This is my first BattlBox unboxing / first YouTube video on this channel. And this is Mission 50. This is my 48th BattlBox. I have been a mostly Pro Plus subscriber since Mission 3. And for the record, the box did not come in this condition. For any of you that are members on the BattlBox members only forum on Facebook, you may have seen the video of my Rottweiler opening this, or at least attempting to open it before I stopped her and she bit into a knife or something. But anyway, let's open it up and have a look, as is customary to say. This is the card that comes with it, with all of the info as to what's in the box. I can't imagine that you don't already kind of know what BattlBox is if you found this video. It's not like I have anything else posted on this channel. So, quick summary, there's 4 levels, and you get cooler stuff the higher the level. They changed the prices recently, I believe. I think I'm grandfathered in, so it doesn't really affect me. But basically, this stuff is out, battlebox.com, the internet, and various other places, so I'm sure you can find it without having to look through this. So that's there, and then on the other side, they tell you all this stuff about what's in the box and why you should use it, and so on and so forth. I'm not reading this right now. I read them all the time, but I'll read it later. That'll be boring. So, anywho, moving right along. Item number 1 in the basic box is the Nebo Larry 2 flashlight. And I have a couple other Nebo flashlights, at least one that I know of. I think it's called the King or something like that. It's an awesome light. I may have the name wrong, but it's got a magnet. It's this big heavy duty thing, and you can stick it to your truck or whatever if you're trying to fix something at night, or I guess you can stick it on anything that's metal. It's pretty awesome. But anyway, that's not this. This is the Larry 2, which is a smaller version of the one I'm talking about. Single button operation. First one is a laser beam, and second is a flashlight. One click for, I suppose it's a laser pointer, not a laser beam. You get the idea. And second click for a light. Battery compartment down there. Swivel thing you can put in your pocket, I guess. I don't think I'd wear this on my pocket. But anyway, sure it'll come in handy. Looks pretty cool. Moving right along. Number 2 is Going Gear cleaning mat. So I have got some stuff from these guys before. I got some Olight stuff from them. It's a really cool company, and they have, I've never been, but I've seen the brick and mortar store that looks awesome. And if I was ever anywhere near there, I would really like to go in there, because we don't have any cool stores like that where I live. But basically, it's a little cleaning mat or storage mat. I don't know. You can put a gun on it. I've seen some people putting jewelry or EDC stuff or whatever on it, but I'd just rather have mine in a drawer, nice and neat. But I'm sure I'll use this to clean knives or clean guns or something like that. It'll come in handy. So the next item is the Fitz knife and metal polish. I've never used this. I've never heard of this until now. I mean, I saw the BattlBox video, the official unboxing, so I know what it does. It cleans stuff. I'll use it. It's handy. The next item are these. They're not water purification tablets. I keep wanting to say that. It's basically a powder, and if you've seen the BattlBox video, you'll see how it's crazy with this stuff, but it congeals water into this disgusting foul mess, and then you wait for a long time, and then eventually you can drink water that apparently is clean but tastes like crap. So I suppose if every other water purification source that I have is off the table, I'll use that one. And last but not least in the basic box, which is actually I'm kind of excited about. And the reason I'm excited about this is not because I now have something to look through a bunch of stuff and buy things that I probably shouldn't and don't really need, but look really cool. But I've seen this magazine and other ones like it on my iPad or the internet. But like I said, no cool stores around where I live to get things like this. So having something tangible is nice once in a while. Anyway, Off-Grid magazine, put it with the other magazines. I'll read that later. Okay, the next level is the advanced box. And, oh, this is actually, This, I think, is, other than obviously the knives, this is the coolest thing in this box. These are friggin' awesome. So this actually will probably get used every single day of my life. These are rechargeable batteries, again, from Going Gear, but if you haven't seen this already, they have USB connections on the end, and you pop that off and you can just charge that. So you walk around with a big ass power bank. I do a lot of photography for my day job, and my flash uses AA batteries. It's a pain in the ass to carry those around. I always have power banks. So now I can use these in the power banks. I'm probably going to get another set of these, or maybe a couple sets of these. And that's exactly how many my flash takes. That's 4. And yeah, super. So that's actually going to come in super handy. And I'm definitely buying more of those, because that will save me a lot of hassle doing that stuff. So that's pretty sweet. And they also sent with that a USB charger that's got 4 ports. So obviously there's 4 batteries, there's 4 ports, USB charger, 4 ports. Not complaining. It might come in handy, but realistically it's USB 2.0. And if I'm trying to charge up a battery, which I'm guessing those things are the same capacity as a regular AA battery, a USB 3.0 would have been preferable. Not being picky, I'm stoked. It's cool. Thank you. But 3.0 would make more sense for charging stuff fast. I think everybody knows that. The next 2 items are both from Real Steel, and this is, knife. Don't have enough of these. It's a neck knife from Real Steel. It's like a skeleton, I don't know, whatever. Doesn't have a handle. And it comes with this clip, so you can use that if you don't want to wear it around your neck, clip it on your belt or whatever. I got to give credit where credit is due. I mean, it's not even, it's in the advanced box, so it's not going to be a super high ticket item, but at least it comes with a nice case and a cleaning cloth. I mean, they didn't half-ass it. It's cool. The Real Steel Alien Neck Knife. It's the Alien Neck Knife. I don't know why you just call it the Alien Neck Knife or the Alien Neck Knife. Either way, whatever. I don't use neck knives, so this will probably just go in the bag with all the other knives that I don't carry around every day, because I can't carry 100 knives with me every single day, although that would be awesome. I'll put it back in here. And it comes, there you go, right there with your chain. If you do want to wear this around your neck, again, to each their own. If you're into that, right on. But I don't wear a knife around my neck. Okay, the only item in the Pro Box is the backpack for the bow that came in last month's box, which was absolutely one of the coolest items they've ever put in the box. That big-ass machete from the land navigation box, which I don't remember what machete was. That thing was sick, too. But the bow was... Knives come every month. Don't get me wrong, I can never have enough knives, and I love knives, but it's nice to mix it up. A bow was pretty sweet. So I suppose you could use this for other stuff, although I don't imagine I would. And if you didn't get the bow last month, that sucks, because now you just have a backpack that you can't put a bow in, even though it has specific places to put your takedown bow. And there you go. Slides in there. I mean, it's a backpack. I've got more backpacks than I know what to do with at this point in my life, so I will actually use this for the bow. I don't know what else I'll put in it. Probably not a hell of a lot, but just a place to put the bow. Just because it looks cool, and it'll go in there because that's what it's made to do. So there you go. Rascal Archer backpack for the Rascal takedown bow. That was in the last box. That's cool. I mean, right on. Okay. And last but not least, the best part, usually the best part of every box, and that is the knife of the month. This is the Boker Mini Quaken, and this is designed by Lucas Burnley. I don't know who that is, but I'm guessing Lucas makes a pretty badass knife. So I'm using this, that little auto knife from a few missions ago, the Gonzo, whatever. It's not the nicest knife I've ever had, but honestly, I've been carrying this one around with me every day since I got it, just because I really like the auto thing. And 8 out of 10 times it opens a box. So sharpen it every week and it'll be fine. So this is Boker Mini Quaken, again, designed by Lucas. Thanks for making it, buddy. So apparently these are all serialized. I got 35, 32. So I'm just saying, you know, maybe since I've been a member since 3, could have given me a lower number, but whatever. Still a pretty sweet knife. That really, oh man, that's like butter. It's like butter. Oh, that's nice. I could do that all day. I usually do. Anyway, that's it. Boker Mini Quaken, Lucas Burnley, knife of the month, 35, 32. Whatever. Still got a knife. I'm stoked. I actually might start carrying this. Now it's pretty tiny. So that's that. That's BattlBox. Mission 50. 51, I know, has a trail cam. So I guess I'm sticking around for at least one more because that sounds pretty sweet. I don't have one of those. I have to find a trail. But yeah, dig it. BattlBox, Mission 50. This stuff that you see here and some other junk laying around that didn't come with it because I don't clean up. All right. Thanks. Maybe I'll do one next month or in a couple days or a couple of weeks, whenever that next box comes. Thanks. Later.